So let me show you how you can make this simple gift box that has a rustic or farmhouse style using just a few pieces of 1x material. As usual, I'm including the dimensions of what you used on the screen, but you can make this to whatever suits your need. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Apart from the basic tools and wood glue that you will need for this project, you'll also need a little bit of faith and some action. In this case, some DIY action. As usual, to make a groove or any kind of dado, I usually use this setup bars to set the height of the plate, which makes that process very easy. I'll put a link to this in the description in case you want to pick up one for yourself. If you like the idea of what you've seen so far, please click on the like button and feel free to subscribe to the channel and help me grow this channel. Also, it encourages me to keep posting videos like this on this channel. For the base, I'm using a 1/4-inch plywood. If you're not comfortable making the groove, you can just cut this to size and just attach it to the bottom with some wood glue and some brad nails. For the cover or the top, I'm using the same size as the box, and then I'll do a rabbit on the 4 corners, so it sits on top of the box there. From this point on, it's quite easy to just follow along on the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. I want to quickly say that if you're not comfortable making the rabbit, you can just cut a piece of the same material, the 1x material, to that size. Make sure it sits in the middle, and then you can use that to, in place of doing the rabbit. I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense. Since the box will be used to hold or store food items, I'm using a food safe wood finish by Total Boat to finish the inside, and then I'll paint part of the outside with black chalk paint and then finish the top with the same Total Boat. If you like this build, I hope you will build one and share your experience about it. Until next time, I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today. Until then, take care and God bless. If you like this video, please click on the like button and check out the other one on the left of your screen that is similar to this one. You can also share it with a friend or family that would like to build a box like this one.